A jury has found a Flint man guilty on all counts, including premeditated murder and reckless driving causing death. Our Alyssa Irwin joining us now. And Alyssa, after 3 weeks of trial for Reggie Lay, he's facing life in prison with no chance of parole.
Angie, that's correct. It's in connection to a double homicide back in June of 2019. This exclusive video shows the fight, which leads up to Lay running over 4 people, killing 2. We must warn you, the surveillance video may be hard to watch for some viewers. Near Al's Coney Island on South Dort Highway, a fight breaks out. This is followed by Reggie Lay driving his vehicle into his victims at high speed and doing U-turns to drive back and forth, according to the Genesee County prosecutor.
Dispute between some of these folks, and he showed up, and the next thing you know, he's running these people down in cold blood. It's an absolutely heinous crime.
This surveillance video was captured from a neighboring business and was shown in court. According to testimony, Lay then drove off and hid in a storage unit where he was arrested. Lay admitted to the crime at that time per court records and has been in jail since.
Reggie Lay tried to delay this trial for years. He went through 13 different attorneys. He created one obstacle after another for the court and for the prosecution and for the defense.
In all, Lay was charged with 14 counts. 2 were dismissed, and on Wednesday, he was found guilty on all 12. Years after the death of Nick Collins and Nolan Thomas and the injuries caused to their girlfriends, there was no closure for family and friends until now.
This is the kind of trauma that stays with a human being for the rest of their life.
A comment provided to ABC 12 from Lay's attorney reads, "We appreciate the jury taking their job seriously as they deliberated for about 5 hours. Ultimately, the Thomas and Collins family lost loved ones during this tragic situation, and now Reggie Lay's family is going to lose him. My hope is all parties can find some peace now that the case is done." Lay has sentencing on August 13th, where he faces a mandatory life in prison with no chance of parole. Here in the studio, Alyssa Irwin with ABC 12 News.